Like the color and fit my cushions perfectly. Bought these for added padding on some older patio chairs. They will hold 19-inch by 19-inch by 2-inch memory foam pad perfectly. I ordered these covers to replace a damaged one in a wicker chair. Mine was an odd size and I could not find a replacement. The front measurement was perfect but the rear was too big. I folded and pinned the rear and it works well and looks good. If it is the right size for your cushion it should work even better. Bought the 4-inch high, which is actually about 4.5. We put 5-inch high foam in them. Fit beautifully. They are pretty waterproof, so to help the air dissipate when you sit, a common problem with waterproof fabrics, just leave the zipper unzipped about an inch at the end. This helps the air escape so the cushion can relax. It also helps relieve pressure on the seams. It seems like it will work. I'm keeping them because I like the color, even though it is different from what's pictured on A. They also are supposed to have ties to affix them to chairs, and they don't. They are acceptable though, so I'm keeping them. I wish they would have worked out for me, the gray was too dark for my furniture. Click link in description for more reviews.